Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Birdsall back again with some more free content to help you succeed and make more money online with this free video series. Last week we talked about done-for-you advertising, for all you lazy people. Well, not really lazy, probably people that just like to, more efficiently use their time, right? And we talked about how you could get free traffic to your squeeze page and the right type of real estate online using my done-for-you advertising techniques that come along with my coaching and monthly program to advertise for you. And hopefully you've taken advantage of that, or at least taken a look at that. Again, if you haven't, you can look back at last week's video on down or up on this page to get more information about done-for-you advertising. But this week, I got something pretty cool for you. This is going to go back to you doing some marketing. Now, this is easy though, okay? I've been playing around with a new technique in involving a social network that will teach you how to get other people to advertise for you. It's really cool. I've only just started doing it, but the results that I'm getting in the first 2 weeks are awesome. Okay, I went to over tripling the amount of visitors I was getting from my own marketing and the search engines giving me traffic, to putting a little tag, a little detail inside some of my advertising, which I'll show you on screen in a moment, to get other people to start telling other people about it. And it was awesome. I started to triple the amount of visitors that I got to my website so far just in those 2 weeks, and I only did it on 2 blog posts that I've made so far. So without further ado, let's dive into that content, show you step by step how to use that content so that you can start getting some retweets about your content and getting free website traffic using Twitter. Okay, let's take a look at that, and then I'll be back with some more great stuff coming up next week. Hey guys, I'm going to show you in this video how to get free retweets. I knew I'd say that wrong. That result in more website traffic. Okay, now this is obviously to do with Twitter. If you're not using Twitter, that's fine. You may consider it after watching this video. If you are using Twitter, you may want to implement what I'm about to show you. Now, as you know, I have a blog website that is designed not to make me sales, because that's not what we're supposed to do online. But I do have a blog that is, because I'm an authority figure, I want to provide as much content and value to the industry and let people know what I'm all about, and that's helping other people. So I have a blog to be able to do that, and it's called the .com report, and if you ever want to check it out, you could go check it out at the .comreport.com, and make sure when you're there you like me on Facebook so you keep up to date with everything that I'm doing, and most importantly, you subscribe to my YouTube video, okay, while you're there anyway, if you want to check it out. But anyway, my post today on that blog is to show people how to get free retweets from Twitter, other people reading your content on your blogs, and how to get them to tweet it and make it easy for them to be able to do it. And I found I've only been doing this the last 10, 14 days, and just from the couple posts I've tested it on so far that are fairly popular and get regular traffic to, I'm getting anywhere from 5 to 10 retweets every day. So I just kind of started doing this, and it's exciting. So instead of, full scaling it out, I decided to make a helpful video for you guys to show you how I'm doing it, so that you can do it too. And then of course I'm going to do it for the rest of my blog posts. Okay, so because I like free traffic. I don't know about you, but I do. So anyway, basically below this video that you're watching right now, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it, but below the video are the tools that I'm going to be showing you in the video. Okay, so watch the video first and then go use the tools. Okay, so what I'm talking about is, so I'm just going to go back to one of the posts where I'm getting the retweets from right now. And you see this little yellow box? All I did was insert that into my previously done article on creating the right expectations for your online business. And I just put that in there, and basically I put a key takeaway. Okay, and I'm going to show you again how to do all this. But basically what I did is and then I just put a little line in there: setting the right expectations on your online success or online business will guarantee your success. Click here to tweet. So as someone reads this, people so far now have been retweeting it. So what they do is they click it, it automatically goes into their Twitter account, and then puts this little code in there, which I'll talk about and show you in a second. So they can add more if they want, but generally I've already set it up, which I'll show you how to do, so that it fits the right amount to make a tweet on their Twitter, and then they just tweet it. Okay, and then that sends out a tweet. As you can see, I just did that, and it sends out a tweet to my Twitter account. So all my followers on Twitter potentially just saw that. So basically, in essence, what you're doing is allowing it, make it easy for people to retweet your tweets from your blog post to theirs. So just imagine having 3, 4, 5, even one person every day, but imagine getting 25, 50 people, as I can imagine this, seeing this happen, is having all those people retweeting my post because they liked my article and they want to share that with other people. When they do that, it becomes viral, and many people can potentially start doing that. So I can see myself getting hundreds of extra visitors a month, maybe even 1,000. I mean, that'd be awesome, right? But I'd be happy with dozens or even hundreds, just to do what I'm about to show you to do, because it's so easy, it's free, and it just gives someone the opportunity to easily share your content for you. Okay? Okay, so now you know what we're going to be doing and what it's all about and all that. Let's walk you through and show you exactly how you do it. Okay, so basically, I'm going to actually use it for for a brand new post. So I'm going to kill two birds with one stone. Teach you guys how to do it. Plus, put the link actually in my content. Okay, and then get free traffic from it too at the same time. Okay, and I'm going to do it on a blog post that I wrote back here. It's called "Learn the Number One Mistake That Newcomers Make Online." Okay, which is basically, I taught you how to do this in the this free video online series. Okay, so basically, but I don't have the Twitter box or that little retweet box in there, as you can see. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in there. So I'm going to go to my blog, my blog post, and I'm going to add it in there. Now, you can, if they're long articles, you can add that retweet suggestion multiple times, but I mean, again, I'm just testing this, so I'm only putting it in once because I want the person to read the whole article and then, feel good about it because they know that I provided them really good content. By the way, all of my articles are awesome, and you should read them all because they're really helpful in helping you make money online. And then basically what happens is that person will retweet it because they just appreciated the information and want to share it with their followers. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, I got to bring out the right post. Sorry, I'm going to find it here. Post, sorry. The number one, learn the number one mistake. I'm going to edit that. I'm going to bring this up, and as you can see my article here, I like to put it near the end, like I said. So I'm going to put it after I've taught the lesson in my article and, got the big point across. I'm going to add it here. So I'm going to put it at the bottom, and I'm going to add it right there. Okay, and I've already got it pre-done. Okay, but this is what we have to do. We have to use the tool which is below this video. It's called Click to Tweet, and basically you just open an account. It's free, and then you message that you would like tweeted or retweeted in this case, right? So basically what I do is I go and get my pre-done statement. I'm going to my keyword, my click to tweet, and I put in the words, which equals 82 characters. And then what I do is I go back to my blog post. Okay, and what I want to take here is the actual URL from the blog post. Okay. So when you actually doing your article, you want it to take the actual address because when they tweet it, you want it to go back to this blog post that references what they're tweeting about. Okay, and you simply put that in your the retweet, and it's perfect. It has 2 characters left, which is full. Then you just click on Generate New Link, and it will give me a little code once it's done. There you go. See this little code here? Okay, up here in this top right. Okay, this is the code we need to copy. Okay, because this is the code that we need to copy. Okay, so now I've saved it, or you could right click, but they have a little easy to copy there. Then what you do is you go in a brand new window in a brand new browser and you click enter. It'll bring you to the page that will be retweeted, but what you want to take is the actual address that it created up here. Okay, you want to take that and you want to go back to your blog post, and that's the link that you actually want to put in there. So now I'm going to put in key take away, and I'm gonna, the key takeaway is going to be this. Oops, I don't want that. I want this. My key takeaway is going to be make money online is simple. Build a list of subscribers that know, like, and trust you, then recommend solutions to their problems. Click here to tweet. Now, where we're going to link that click here to tweet is going to go to that page that that address that we created. And we're going to link it. Have it open in a new link. We're going to add the link. Just highlight it to make it look good. Okay. Now, it's in there, and so I'm just going to hit update, and I'm going to go back to my original post. As you can see, it's not in there right now, like where the section where I want to put it is right in here. Okay, it's not there right now, but I'm just going to hit refresh now. As you see, I added it, and there it is. Key takeaway right there. Okay. Now, it doesn't stand out that much, right? So as someone is reading that and they go there, they could click to tweet it, and if they click it, watch what happens. It would open up their Twitter account and be prepared with that code that we created at click2tweet.com, and then they would tweet it. Okay? Now, I don't like, because it's kind of buried in there. As you can see in my other posts, I had a yellow box around it. Well, what I'm going to do is add that little yellow box around it. Okay, and it's actually easy to do. I'm just copying some page. Don't worry about this part that I'm copying and pasting to create the code around it, because I've added a link where you can actually do that yourself below this video. Okay, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to go find where I made that comment. Click to tweet. I'm just going to put it at the end of the code. Don't worry about what you're seeing on here. I'm just showing you, because there's more of a clear tutorial in the link below that will show you how to add that yellow box, okay, or blue box, or whatever you want. I like to use yellow just because it stands out more. I've tested the blue ones and the other colors, but the yellow seemed to stand out a lot more. So I'm just going to change that. And I'm going to hit update. Now watch what happens. Okay. Now, so again, you see the highlighted area here that I just put in to get the retweets. There's nothing there right now. Okay. So I'm going to hit refresh on the page, and you'll see the yellow box will come in. See it? Now it's a nice yellow box. Oh, I want that highlighted. Again, I'm just making this pretty. You can make them any way you want, obviously. I just like it a certain way because it's working so far. So I keep doing it. Okay, and I'm just going to bold it a little bit, update it, and again, I'm using a free WordPress, free WordPress blogging template. Which, I mean, why would you pay for blog templates when they're free? Anyway, so okay, there is my tweet. See, now when they come to the article, they read it and they say, hey, this is really good information. Oh, the takeaway is, and there's the main point. If they want to retweet it, they click it, and somebody retweets it. Now, so, like I said, the point of this video is not show you the step-by-step and the detail of exactly how to do it, because I showed you the basic part here. But then, of course, how to make the yellow box and all that. And the tool that I'm using, click to tweet, is below this video on this blog post. Okay, so you can actually see it right there. And what happens is I've started to put this out. This is the third one now, the third blog post that I've made. But previously, I've tested on previous two that gets a regular, visitors every single day.
a few dozen visitors every single day. And what happens is I've started to see that people started to retweet it, and I'm getting more traffic to the page. So instead of just getting a couple dozen people to my post every day, now I've seen that triple for free. And just by adding just what I just showed you to do, and it's completely free to add that extra traffic to your website. And again, if you've been following along what I've been training and coaching you on in my monthly program, I don't teach you to make sales from websites or blogs or anything like that, because that's silly and that's how people fail online. I teach you how to build a large subscriber list and make money from those people that are on your list that know, like, and trust you, that respect your recommendations to solve their problems. Right? That's what we do here. We don't try to sell. We try to educate, offer value, build up the know, like, and trust, and then people take our recommendations seriously, so they go through the information that you're recommending, and a lot of times that's all we need to do, because most opportunities, most products offer value, and those people make those purchases automatically. Okay? That's how you succeed online. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to jump back in front of the camera just to let you know what's coming up next. In my next free help and advice that I'm giving you online. Hopefully enjoyed this video. Again, if you need to watch it over and over again, do so, and watch and use the tools that I recommend below, showing you how I did it on this video. Thanks again for watching.
Hey, now, what do you think of that? Pretty simple, right? Now, if you didn't get that when I showed you through that video, just pause and watch the video over and over again, that portion of the video. There's some tools below the video that I talk about in that step-by-step tutorial that I showed you how to get the retweets happening on your blog posts. Just use those tools, watch the video again, it'll come together, trust me. Okay, try to ignore me bouncing around all over the place and just more stay detailed of exactly what I was showing you in that video, and you're going to start to get some free traffic. And the more and more that that's happened for me, that I've put those posts out there, the more and more momentum my site is gaining, which is really cool. And who doesn't want more free traffic, especially when other people are retweeting it for you and generating that. It goes along with what I've been teaching you here, how to make money online, is getting recommendations from people that you already know, like, and trust. Well, people that are following your visitors' websites on their Twitter accounts already know, like, and trust them. So when they make a tweet, they're more likely to click that link and visit your website and consider that recommendation. It's really cool. I hope that you start to use it in your marketing, because the results are fantastic and free. Okay, well, that's it for this video. Obviously it's been long enough, but I give you a good tip. I will be back again with some more awesome stuff to help you make more money online. If you haven't taken a look at or advantage of my monthly coaching program, I strongly do, because over there we go through it a lot more in depth, a lot more personal hand-to-hand combat, if you will, in helping you succeed online in any business that you're trying to succeed in. Okay? Thanks again for watching. Paul Birdsall. Subscribe. Follow me on Facebook. Subscribe to my fan page. Go check out the my YouTube channel for lots more video content to help you. Bye-bye.